Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Android apps such as games using this Android emulator Bluestacks, and then how you can play these games on your laptop. So now let's get going. So now let me show you how you download Bluestacks. So to play games, I think we should go with Bluestacks 10 or Bluestacks X. So I have Bluestacks X. But then in this video I'll be recommending you guys download the Bluestacks 10 for gaming performances. Cloud gaming is very good. So if you'll be doing installations, I think, and you want a good performance, I think you should go with Bluestacks 5. But if you'll be playing cloud games, Bluestacks 10 or X. So now it's downloaded. Let's open it here. So here you get the setup, and you continue to finish your installation. For me, I have my Bluestacks X here. So now let me launch it. So it's taking some time to load. So to use Bluestacks, I think you should have at least 4GB RAM and above. 8 or 16 is advisable. So you can see here, these are all Android apps you can download and play. So Bluestacks X is good for gaming, just like I mentioned earlier. So this is EA Sports. You can download it and then start playing from here. Now let me go back and let me check out some games too. You can see you get access to all these games. You just need to install and you're good to go. Let's check Roblox. Good. So we get this adventure game. Here too, you can install and play here as well. And now let's check another game. Let's check Geometry Dash. And also an arcade. Good. There's also an arcade game. So you can download all these games and then play them using Bluestacks and Android emulator. So in my past video on Android emulators, I was talking about how you can download vidmate and use it. So if you want to download vidmate and use it, I think you should be using Bluestacks 5, because you'll be needing some installations and the rest. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here too, thank you for visiting me. Peace.